Well, maybe, just maybe, I'm out of the wind enough so we're not picking up the noise on the microphone. Well, hi everybody. Hey, this video is kind of more of an update and just a what's to come video. As everybody that's been watching lately knows, that most of my videos have been on the pole barn workshop that I'm building, and those, I got a few more of those that's going to be coming out soon. You can see here I got my siding on, windows in. I didn't finish the front. You can look through the barn there and you can see the front I have left to do, so trying to get that done. It's been really cold here in Michigan. I think today's high was about 10 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's not supposed to get much better than that for the next 2 weeks. So I'm gonna try and get that wrapped up here soon. But the main reason I wanted to do this video was just because I've had a lot of new subscribers lately, and I just wanted to thank everybody that has subscribed and those that watch and comment and hit the like button and stuff on my videos. I just super appreciate that. That is so great. I really especially would like to get more people to comment. Let me know what you think of the videos. Let me know what I could do better. Let me know what you'd like to see. My goal for 2019 is to do a video a week and to try and improve on my videos as I go. So anything that you see that I could do to improve, let me know. I'm up for suggestions. Alright, so some of the videos I got coming up are, after I get the barn finished, I'm going to be working on the inside. I'm going to insulate, finish the walls, ceiling, work on adding some good lighting to help with the video shooting, and then I'm going to get the shop set up. So part of this is going to be a wood shop and part's going to be a fab shop. So in the wood shop, things I got coming up are a bathroom vanity that I'm going to build for the bathroom remodel here in my house, and kitchen cabinets later in the year. That's going to be probably towards next winter. And then on the fab shop side, I've got my Allis Chalmers B I want to restore, which doesn't need much of a restore, but I want to repaint it and add new decals and stuff like that to it. And then I got that 87 Chevy Squarebody that I want to completely restore, frame off restoration on that. I also have a 3-season room that is framed in and the outside's done, but I want to finish off the inside too, so that's another project I got coming up. I'll also be doing a lot of other tractor videos. We have several old tractors on the homestead. My father-in-law has some Farmall. He's got an A, Super A, and my brother-in-law has a Farmall Super C. So we do a lot of stuff with those and just messing around. We have fun, do hay rides, we go to tractor shows. So there'll be more tractor videos coming too if you like that kind of stuff. For my Bolens tractor, I want to build a front blade for it. I have a rear blade that I push snow with now, and that just gets to be a pain turning my head behind me all the time looking. So I want to build a front blade for it, and the inspiration for that came from another YouTuber named Joe Lesage out of Quebec. He built one for his Bolens, and he does all kinds of great projects. He's got built a dump trailer, and he just started with another new project for a quick attach bucket for his case tractor, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description for his channel. It's pretty good stuff. I started watching him when I started my pole barn. I started posting videos for that because he was putting a lean-to addition on his garage, so I started watching some of his videos then, and I really like his channel. Another guy that I've been watching lately is Mike over at Grampie's workshop. He's got a compact tractor, a Massey Ferguson, that he does a lot of projects on, and then he does a lot of projects around the shop and in the yard and stuff. So he's pretty new, and I encourage you to go check him out though. I like his stuff. So another guy that I just started watching too is Tractor Man 44. He does a lot of stuff with old tractors, and he's got a lot of interesting ideas, and he's pretty knowledgeable. So I encourage you to go check him out. I'll put his link in the description also. So, and kind of unrelated to tractors and building stuff on the homestead and stuff like that, but there's another channel that I've been watching lately that The guy, if you're into like Star Wars and sci-fi stuff, the guy builds like set quality Star Wars stuff, and that's called the Smuggler's Room. And it's just, he's funny. It's a good channel, and it might not be of interest to a lot of you, but I'm gonna leave a link in the description too, because I really enjoy it. So anyways, looks like it's gonna be a busy year for my channel. I got a lot of projects, I got a lot of work to do, and I'm gonna try and get as many of those projects done as I can. I'm gonna film them all. So I encourage you to watch them when I post them. Should be every Sunday is my plan, and maybe a few additional ones here and there. And if you like them, hit the thumbs up. If you know somebody else that would like them, please share them. Leave a comment. And again, thank you for watching, and thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. What else? Kind of. What else? Tractor Man 44. That's a piece of steel.